sometimes we see it that the targeted journal, what we are going to target, it doesn't have style in this our EndNote library. So we go to edit, and then we go to output styles, and then select any relevant one, and here it's crop size is selected, and we say edit crop size or new style. I always prefer edit crop size, or edit any style, relevant style. I select it, and then I say edit it. So edit crop size. I will write any category, it's agriculture or it's chemistry or it's physics whatsoever. I write the category here based on what style I would write it, and then I would go to file, save as. Now it will ask how to save, crop science copy or whatsoever, and I save it, click and save. So it saved it. I didn't save here because I don't want an extra style, but you can save a new style, and then you say, okay, I have this style, this is my own university style, thesis writing style or whatsoever. Now we go to citation templates. So this citation is the one what we cite within the text. I'm writing introduction or material and method or anything, and then it will cite here. So I say author, comma, year, and bracket, and I say no, there must be something else. So I say insert field, and I say that let's suppose, although it doesn't never happen, but let's suppose that uh, title or volume or pages should also appear. So I said pages, but there must be a comma between two fields and then space. Now pages must also appear. And if it's a citation author year, then it can be like this. So, okay, and then I explore this one. So if there is author list, so this author list shows me that in text when I'm citing the number of authors, if 1 to 100, there must be comma, and then after comma there must be space on each other, and before last there must be and then space, and okay, and the same here, author year. And 100 to 100, I say okay, list all authors, or list if 3 or more authors, list the first 2, and if I can also select list all, but if 3 or more, list 2, or 5 or more, list 3. This is up to me. And abbreviate others with at all, comma, at all, full stop, and then italic. You can make this at all italic also. The same way, this is first time appearance in the text, and if the same guy or same article we are citing next time also in the article, in next para and next page or anywhere next time, you can say that then list all the articles, all the authors names, or in other case we say the same thing. Author name, how should it appear? If it's Jane Smith or Smith Jane, how it should appear. The other names, the author name, and then other names, how it should appear, the first author name and the other author names. So we can explore more and more. The same bibliography. Now we come to the bibliography. Sort order also we can explore how to start it. In the bibliography, we say the template. In bibliography, there are generic template, there is book templates, book sections, computer, a number of other things. So now we can include, and if we click reference tab, we can include chart or table or grant or here anything. Okay, let's say that I say a blog. Now blog is if there is a blog, how it must cite. So I click here and then go to right side and insert field, and in the insert field we say that there must be a date of blog, and then after that there must be a comma and then space and the publisher. We say it's publisher. It can be in these brackets. We say save and okay. Or we can modify the book chapters or generic also, or anything general article. You say no, there must be DOE number also, and then there must be year, and then this author and year, everything should be in the brackets. So we said okay in the brackets. And the same with sort order, how it should be sorted: bibliography, categories, author list, the same what we talked about in the citations. The author name the cited, like same we talk in citations. The editor list and editor names and everything is the same thing. And then we go, either we say Control S, or if we close it, it will automatically ask us whether we need to save in the crop size. In that case, in your case, if you change it, you can save it. You can, because we already did save as, or as a new name. But in here, I don't want to save, so I say no. Now we have our own style and our own author list. So we just click here and we say crop size, bibliography format, and then we search a crop size here. It's crop size, and then it's okay. So this is a basic version of quick look on the EndNote. There are a number of other options we can edit. We can import the style, new filters we can import. For the references, we can find duplicates. If I click here, it will automatically find its duplicates here. So if I do it, there are 2 duplicates I have in my database. So I say okay, either skip, keep this record, or keep this. Okay, I said one record, keep one record, keep this record. Okay, just randomly. But if I remove duplicate, maybe I can have error, because I have used this library for multiple articles. So if I remove some, then it will delink it. Anyway, then from the references we can create groups also, like here my groups. So you can always, when you download few articles, you put them in any group. So just drag, you create a group and drag this reference to that group, and group wise references. So if you are working on vegetables, you can make a vegetable group, and if you are working with meat group, then it's a meat group, and then the carbohydrate group, and whatsoever, you make some groups. It's up to you. And then you have some tools also. Term list also, you can define the terms. Author term list, general term list you can define, but normally you don't need it. So I will not go in detail, further detail on this thing. So if you can attach your articles, you can download the article, you see here on the right side. If you download a PDF version of it, you have your here, like in this case I don't have the attachment, and here we see the attachment. So if you have a reference, you just click on that reference, and then file attachments and attach file. When you will do attach file, search your file and double click on it, and then it will attach it. And when you have already attached it, just right click, file attachments, open file. If you click on open file, it will open that PDF file by itself. You don't need to search about it. And for your let's suppose you have your own, you like to have a CV. For this, you just need to set for your name. Let's suppose I set the name Sharma, and this is all articles of Sharma. Click from the top, then shift and click the bottom, right click, and copy formatted. You copy formatted in the same file. You can, as per your need, you can change the CV style also. So go to your CV and paste. This is the list of articles you have in a formatted way. For any deletion, you want to delete this. Okay, so you just click here and start, press the delete, it will select it, and then delete. Because if you don't delete like this, or if you are working with track changes, then you are going to have problems. Okay, it will not delete, it will database, and then a number of things can arise for any deletion. You just delete it here and then save. It will delete from the top your reference, and from bibliography it will also remove the reference by itself. Look, we have this one, so let's delete this thing. Delete, and see here the reference is also deleted, and insert. So this is a very brief of EndNote without going to any much detail. Thank you very much.